poverty is real. But what can we do about it? For many girls in Kenya, period poverty isn't just a buzzword, it's a harsh reality. At Jitambu Kijana, we believe every girl deserves the dignity and opportunity that access to menstrual products provides. Every month, thousands of young girls miss school because they can't afford sanitary towels. This isn't just about hygiene, it's about education, empowerment, and a brighter future. So how can you help? Donate sanitary towels, send money via M-Pesa, paybill 247247, account 22198, or spread the word on social media. Every contribution, no matter how small, makes a difference. Join us in this noble mission. Visit our Facebook page, Jitambui, JKF, for more information and ways to get involved. Let's make sure no girl has to choose between her education and her dignity. Be the change. Support Jitambu Kijana today.